This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off the pop-up blocker on the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To turn on or off the pop-up blocker, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner, down to the little gear wheel. I'm going to click on the gear wheel. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, I'm going to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, I'm going to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Website Permissions section. And right down here, Popups. As you can see, mine is set to block, but you could click the drop down. You can change it to allow or block, either one of those two, to turn it on or off. That is how to turn on or off the pop-up blocker in the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.